So, Chooch. Chooch, you always here, bro. I rate you, bro. Eight people kind of crazy. I'm early. Nice, bro. What's up, Bang J? What's up, Rita? What's nice saying? Tell you one thing. Probably not going to take this Monday low. I don't think we're going to undo that move. Kind of just have to align with the longs here. We good? We good? I think we're going to have to look for longs. I mean, the only short objectives, maybe previous state equilibrium. What's up, Morgan? Damon, Wang J, Raj, Ritesh, Connected. What's up, guys? Like, yeah, we could move lower to this imbalance, for example. But that's about it. Definitely nothing insanely clear. Check the economic calendar, actually. What's wrong with TikTok? News lows? That's a really long move. Like, I don't know. It's a really far away move. What's up, brother? How are you? Price to fill with CFTC. That's the thing, though. I mean, order flow is just so bullish, so I don't know if that's gonna happen right now. You know, it's not about what it should do. Like, just because there's an imbalance doesn't mean it has to fill it. Bias? I mean, I think we're gonna primarily look to. Yo, is this because I'm banned or something? Hmm. Yeah, Mubashir went off. I think it's because I mean my live went off. I think I'm banned or something. I don't know. I don't know why it's not working. You did your bias. Like I'll tell you what's clear to me. Monday's low is not gonna get taken. In fact, I don't think Wednesday's low will get taken. We have an imbalance here being on the 4 hour. We could go low. Word to it. I like London high day as a potential long. Maybe we see a like a New York reversal model. Yeah, I think TikTok is done. I don't know. It won't work. London lows for possible continuation. TikTok banned in Canada? No, it's not banned in Canada. The live just every time I go live, it just disconnects. No, no, it's not banned. It'll be banned in US, but not Canada. Yo, 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 what's up, Yoshi? GSC XRP apparently like pumped. Oh wait, is TikTok working again? Someone reported your live. I don't know. I don't know what I'd get banned for, but it might be working now. Looks like TikTok's working again. Bro, I went to the Raptors game and I watched them play the Brooklyn Nets, and the Raptors lost. No, I see it just disconnected again. Bro, Vegas got their money for real, bro. Bro, and the fucking Raptors lost. But when my friends go watch the Raptors games, they beat Golden State in like the final fourth quarter, and they fucking beat the Celtics, bro. What? What? But they lose to Brooklyn Nets, bro. Brooklyn Nets lost by like what, 60 points or 70? Like Brooklyn Nets have to be the worst team, bro. Did you fix your mic? I don't know. Is it good right now? I put the wire like I adjusted how it was facing and stuff. I'll go over bias. I'm gonna try TikTok live one more time. And if it doesn't work, I don't know why. Okay, so bias. I'm leaning bullish, but it's gonna be hard to find a higher probability long in my opinion. I'll tell you how I go over bias. So weekly power of three is the main thing here that's in play for me. What's up, Dre? Yo, my TikTok might crash again. If it does, I'm also live on YouTube, GatieTrades. But let's just go on. In terms of bias, weekly power of three, like Monday's low is probably not gonna get taken, right? I'm sure most people can come to that conclusion. So what does that mean? We're either gonna go sideways. So obviously the three things that can happen, literally, expand upwards. We just range the entire day, like seek and destroy, or we retrace down. Those are the three narratives that are possible, right? In my opinion, for today. Um, where can we retrace to? This 4 hours possible. We don't need to. It's possible. Where can we expand to? We can expand to this rejection block or the previous week's high. Or if you look at ES, we're a lot closer there. Um, on the 15-minute, it looks like a London high of day. But if we're bullish, no, that's not the three narratives every day. You gotta listen closely. You gotta listen closely. We can seek and destroy today. It's more probable because of previous day's large expansion. All right? That's one. Secondly, retracing lower into this 4 hour fair value gap or previous day equilibrium. That's probably where I would look for. And if we're going to expand, it's not that clear. I would favor longs. I'm bullish on the higher time frame. I'd rather align myself with longs. But I don't know if we're going to be able to find a high probability long. But we'll see. What do I see on gold right now, this very moment? Yeah, if my TikTok, okay, right now TikTok live is doing good. I mean, gold looks really bullish, man. We've been bullish on gold. Everyone asks me every stream. I say the same thing every time. Monthly fair value gap to all-time highs. It's gonna get there. AMPs. What crypto should I buy right now? I don't know. XRP probably. Yo, look at this though. The video's going good. Anyways, there's nothing on Top Step X now. I'm bullish. I'm gonna try to align myself with longs. All right, we'll see if TikTok stream crashes or not. Right now it seems to be good. I don't think it'll crash because it usually crashes in the first minute. What's up, Insta? Insta, did you announce for me, brother? Is your ICT, by the way, we have ICT before. I think it will hold. Yeah, I don't know if I think London High just looks engineered to me. Yeah, we got new charts. I'm trying to lock in. We are in a losing streak. Same name on YouTube. Same name on YouTube. Yeah, GatieTrades. At least on YouTube, no one's gonna message you about joining my $5,000 mentorship. What's your bias? I'm gonna try to align myself with longs here. Yeah, you can always just wait and stuff. How are you doing? Hectic week, eh? Not really too hectic. I don't think price needs to retrace. It definitely does not need to, but the thing is, we did have a large expansion day. So, like, would I be surprised if this was the high of the week? No, what if this was the high of the week? Friday closes in the bear shade, like, that's possible. You know? Please tell me XRP will dip. I literally just sold like a week ago. It's actually sad, but I don't really care about crypto. I bought some Nvidia. I bought some AMD. It's more in my niche. Yo, Steven Adams. Steven Adams, the GOAT. Nvidia's going to pump when Trump comes. Yeah, I mean, I already put in some shares. I'm not gonna lie. I thought it was gonna go a little bit lower so I could buy some more. I'm not gonna buy at this price, man. 138. I got filled up like way cheaper than that. So, maybe AMD though at 120. Where was previous days open? Right there. I pretty much got AMD somewhere around here. I think it was like 118. We could just buy like 5 more shares. I don't know what that is. Gold, what do you see? Bullish, man. Bullish, 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 bullish every day. People ask me. I'm bullish till all-time highs. That narrative is not going to change unless we invert this monthly fair value gap. For me, at least. You think the market might shit itself? Did I or did not say low of week was made on Monday? Bro, if you think I remembered your text from Monday, you're highly mistaken, brother. But if you did, that's really good, bro. Nice. I remember someone did say that. They said like we swept the liquidity or something. Well, I mean, we didn't really. But was there SMT there? I mean, there is SMT there. We're trading for 1 year. Why buy shares on Robinhood when it moves in cents? You're probably not buying that many shares. Anyways, listen, guys, we're on a 4 losing streak. Let's see if we can come back today, or if the losing streak will continue. Regardless, I'm going to be strictly focused on following my rules. That way, if I lose, it's okay. 4, lock in, make it 6. That's funny. 4-day losing streak. No, 4 trades, 2 days. 4 is crazy. I don't think it's that crazy. Hey, you can fade me if you want, bro. I'm bullish, guys. Good trade copier. Replicanto is probably one of the best. Yeah, all the moves were correct though. But again, a lot of the losses were avoidable. In fact, all of them except I would say one. Like I know myself, you know. But I gotta make sure that like I'm just locked in on my trading, not letting anything persuade me. Which I think I do a good job of, but we'll try and do that today. What's bias? I'm bullish. Why is that high London lows? It's not. My bad. I wanted to mark Asia lows. I'm just gonna call this Asia lows. I don't care. It's not Asia lows. You know, this is Nasdaq, guys. I'm on Nasdaq. So we're just gonna lock in here, and we're gonna make sure that today, if we lose, it's not because we didn't follow the rules. You could go short targeting the forward BCB. That's not a bad narrative. It's not a bad narrative. You'll be buying Meta. Okay, I'll quickly look at Meta because I'm curious. I think it was too expensive though. Yeah, I don't want to buy Meta. No, it's just already like, well, the move's done, bro. Like, what am I gonna buy? Whoa, 600 a share. I'd rather buy like 5 shares in Nvidia than 1 share of Meta. Plus, I bought Meta and I bought Nvidia and AMD, yo. Anyways, let's lock in here. Let's lock in here. So, in terms of models, we have a clear manipulation above midnight opening price. We didn't really hit any level. We did hit the daily SIBI high. That's about it. So in terms of my midnight power of 3 models, if I'm bullish, this doesn't really align. What I'd want to see is if we can engineer relative equal highs here, then move lower. How long do you plan on holding them for? Nvidia, honestly, probably all-time highs. I'm just gonna keep, if Nvidia goes down before all-time highs, I'm gonna buy more. Yo, Seal God, if you're trading Forex, then you have to go with funded by traders. But if you're trading futures, then you go with Top Step. This is Nasdaq. If we can get relative equal highs and we sweep sell side, like Asia low of day is pretty rare. I don't really trust this high of day. So we shall see. Are we gonna get a large org? Looks like we're gonna get a large opening range gap. So we'll see. We'll mark out the opening range gap quadrants for today. You see we opened up there. So we have a 118 point gap. So it's a pretty significant opening range gap. Asia low of day is rare. In indices, yeah. It's pretty rare. Usually it's London or New York. For like a bullish day. Is there a top side discount? There's no top side discount code right now. I mean, it's only $50, so I don't know how they would do a discount. I'd personally recommend top side. My eyes jump to this fair value gap specifically because it has liquidity resting below it. So if we can sweep that liquidity, good luck, Yoshi. Appreciate you coming to say hi, bro. Top step is on B-Book. I don't know what that is. So we have accumulation pre-market. So far we've come down and take sell side. I haven't checked the economic calendar yet, actually. So let me do that. Thursday, 8:30 news at 10 a.m. Yellow folders. Okay. The lowest I think it could possibly go, probably previous day equilibrium. That's like the true lowest. Like, if you're asking max, but I don't think Top Step Trade or Top Step X. I personally use Top Step X. That's just my opinion. Okay, I like this. I want to see if we can get into this green box. Green box is an M15 BISI. Bullish imbalance. Buy side imbalance. And I want to see if we can take out this resting liquidity. I like that we kind of put in relative equal highs. Not really, but kind of. Right? The liquidity is kind of resting above. Moosh here. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, fuck that guy, bro. Go long? I'm planning on going long, just not from here. I still want to see it come a little bit lower. Per my model rules that we accumulated, took sell side. I can look for a long on buy side, but we need to raise some sort of liquidity or imbalance. My eyes jump to these lows right here. They're just a little bit too clean. That's 50% of opening range gap also hit right there. How did you get bearish bias? I don't have a bearish bias. I'm looking for longs. I thought we would come lower here, but only to go higher. So why is my bias bullish? I think we're just going to continue. There's classic weekly power 3 stuff, right? We set the weekly low. I'm expecting an expansion week. It's CPI week. So I think we can continue somewhat expanding higher from like Wednesday's move. You know? Okay, we just entered the 15-minute BISI. We have the relative equal lows right here that are about to be engaged right there. Okay, so that was taken. ES hasn't taken those lows. 808. Yeah, ES is not even close to those lows. Those lows on ES are right here. So we haven't taken those lows on ES. For me to look for a long, I need to see a change in the state of delivery or a breaker, which we're nowhere near forming at this point. So we're just going to have to wait. We're just going to have to wait. We just hit the lower quadrant, almost the lower quadrant of the opening range gap. So pretty bearish sign, to be honest. This is very bearish price. This is very bearish order flow. Oh, this? I don't know about that. Did I tell you we were bearish? Relax, bro. It's only been 4 minutes. Bro, someone in my chat said, missed the whole sell? Maybe if you weren't yapping. Bro, what? First of all, I didn't miss shit. I don't care about this move. Second of all, what? You missed it, bro. You were busy in my stream, bro. Busy refers to buy side imbalance. You caught it? Alright, bro. You can enjoy your celebration. Am I the only one who can't connect my top step to trading view today? Fuck did bro see for that short? There was absolutely no that short is crazy. Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficient. Yep, that's exactly what it stands for. Top step is bugging out. My top step X seems to be fine. Yep, I learned from ICT. Should have full. Yeah, man. I should. It's so obvious, bro. Like, you just gotta click sell at 9:30. It's so obvious. Bro, it's so obvious. Will long the inversion 9:30 P03 supporting longs as well? Yeah, you could. This is your first presentation, fair value gap. What's up, Mazman? Okay, 15-minute OB and 5-minute 5-minute FEG OTE. It sounds like a pattern trader, bro. Sounds like a pattern. But like, why do you care if I took it or not? You know? I'm here to take my trades, not yours. What? Why are you so obsessed? That's all long to the moon. First presentation, fair value gap. It's always good to keep it marked out. 50% org. We're sitting around that range. Where's Toxic Galaxy info port? Unk getting mad. Do I sound mad? You got me, I'm a pattern trader? Not you. Just put an XRP, that good? I mean, I don't really do crypto, but yeah, my opinion would go higher if you're asking me. Don't worry, blood, we're good, bro. I'm not being pressured. I'm waiting. I can't long this until I see a breaker or CISD. Yeah, I do trade live here every day. I'm also live on YouTube every day if you prefer YouTube. I prefer YouTube. YouTube has no trolls. We're sitting at the top of the daily bearish trending. I wouldn't buy until that breaks. Yeah, so like I said, if I'm going to long, I need to see a change in the say delivery or a breaker. So if we don't do that, then I can't long, right? Simply can't long. The model just did not form. So we'll see. A breaker is a breaker block? Yeah, what pairs this is NASDAQ. You doing day trading? I am day trading. Big displacement. This is pretty bearish order flow right now. Like, there's no signs of longs yet, right? But we have an idea. We'll just wait and see if that idea can play. We didn't take this low. That wouldn't be a breaker. I wouldn't trust this. I wouldn't trust that long. If it displaced here with the fair value gap, I would just let it go. I'd be breaking rules. I would be. How dangerous is that? I mean, you choose your risk. You can risk $10 if you want. I mean, yeah, you can risk $10 if you want. Would you be interested in shorts? Bro, answer me. Is this a funded account? I'm trading on, yeah, I'll be trading on one of my funded and two of my evals. So we failed to reach 75% of the opening range gap. So we are primarily in the upper quadrant. Yeah, I would long if there's a breaker, but there's no breaker here. It's a failure swing. So I'm a little bit iffy on this displacement higher. I'm a little bit iffy on it. We're going to remove this opening range gap and just keep in mind that where it went and how it acted. Yeah, gold did. I mean, for gold, in my opinion, the PL3 formed a while ago, and you just kind of had to ride it. Yeah, there is SMT at the lows. Been following ICT for about 3 years. You looking for any swing positions? USD JPY maybe. I'd have to wait and see. And there's a daily fair value gap. I want to see if we can get the 4-hour CISD. Right now we're just sideways, so. Yeah, I mean, listen, this might come up here and take the buy side, but I'm not going to take that trade. I'm not going to take that trade. Thoughts on 88? No thoughts, bro. What's up with monthly euro seller buy? Nothing right now for me. How long should I be trading before I can pass a funded? I've been trading for 3M and I'm going for a funded. You should go when you're when you feel ready. You know, no one else can tell you. I can't tell you. How can I start? You gotta start learning, right? You gotta study, take notes, practice, and when you're ready, you get a funded account. And luckily, we have those tools now where you don't have to risk your own money, and it's very cheap. Why are you not sure about this long? It's not a CISD. It's not a CISD here. We didn't take out this liquidity. The CISD would be right here, which again is too far premium for me. You didn't buy the green zone you marked? That's not, yeah. I thought we would reject off this green zone. I was waiting for a confirmation. I think I'm bearish. I'm bullish. So, yeah, to me, I just don't trust this too much. But I mean, if it goes higher, it goes higher. Now I'm not going to be sad. My model did not form, unfortunately. Well, it's not unfortunate. You need CME market data. For futures, you do need CME market data, yes. What do I think of BPRs? They're great. We'll need to see what candles we make. I mean, it's still early, man. It's only been 11 minutes. We're, I think, off the 5-minute OB. This is a 5-minute OB, yes. Between and busy got it invalidated earlier. When? No, it's not. S&T at the highs is potentially coming, yeah. We could go sideways, yeah. Like, we have to keep in mind today. You have to keep in mind today that we might be in a seek and destroy market condition because of the large expansion from yesterday. Thoughts on XRP? Looks pretty bullish to me. As I see, CSE needs to form the swing low from high the mark zone. Exactly. So this would not be a change in state delivery. Now, if we had a fair value gap here and respected it, this could be seen as a change in the state of delivery. But because we inverted this fair value gap, it's not too clean. Just suggesting, can you put the clock in the middle of the screen or move the camera to the left side? I can do this. How's that? A little better? I guess I'm on Eastern time, so that's why I thought it wasn't relevant because it's the same time for me. No, that's not the person. Just suggesting, yeah. So, see, good thing we failed. I mean, good thing we didn't look for any longs there, but we'll wait. How long you been a day trader? It's been about a year. Bro, no SMT, no trade. I don't need SMT as a requirement. Order flow is still really bearish. Like, it's really bearish. No signs of higher prices whatsoever. What you looking for? I'm looking for long. What does long mean? It means you buy it and you want it to go up. What website do you trade on? This is TradingView. I connected my prop firm account. Question: where would be a good area to practice? Probably TradingView. You can get a demo trading account. What pair is this? This is NASDAQ. What are you looking at now? NASDAQ on the 1-minute chart. That's actually nice. You're shorting NDOG. Yeah, it's not a bad short. In fact, we might even get Asia lows. Is NASDAQ same as US 100? Yeah, pretty much the same. NASDAQ's the future. And then US 100 is the derivative. SMT, breakup structure, IFG. Nice. What's your bias? Bullish. If other people go ahead with this on the spectrum, stay very quickly for longs. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much. We engineered relative equal highs here too. So it's really good. No, you're not dumb. Yo, Yusuf got past the count. Nice, bro. Proud of you, bro. Am I dumb for being bearish on the daily? Um, no. I think it's possible we move lower. Like previous to equilibrium is possible. And again, you could make the argument that we're gonna reject off of this SIBI and not continue higher. But in my opinion, Wednesday was just too bullish. I wanna see this come up to 9:30 up window. Yep, just gotta stay consistent now, Yusuf. You did it once, you can do it again, brother. Longs incoming, ICT called. I wouldn't mind it. Even if we take Asia lows, I would not mind it. This would just be a New York reversal. So in terms of power of 3 models, it would be your midnight opening power of 3, your daily power of 3. Basically refers to buy side imbalance, but I think I'm gonna remove this from my chart now because it looks like we're gonna go to Asia lows or low of day. Can we really reverse all this? Yeah, I mean 10 a.m. reversal is possible. We just have to wait and see. Like coin thoughts, I would just get XRP, man. I don't know. That's just me. I don't really know much about crypto. Told you? Told me what? Bro, you're like weird, bro. I don't like you. I'm gonna mute you. What do you see on Euro USD? I don't see Euro USD. I'm not trading Euro USD, but Euro USD seems like we're going sideways until we can go higher. Can you mute me too? No, you're good, bro. I like you. What's in divergence of US 30? US 100. Just a TP? Nice, bro. What are the time zones for Asia and London? Asia, I'll show you the kill zone indicator. No breakfast today? Already ate breakfast, brother. Already ate breakfast. And I'm gonna probably try to eat another breakfast after. These are the session times. W mute? That guy was weird, right? He's just weird. A weird guy, man. Every single 5 minutes. I told you that was gonna happen. I told you. I traded it. I swear I traded it. Bulking? I'm trying to, bro, but I can't gain weight, bro. I can't. I guess I'm not eating. I know I'm not eating enough, but like I'm trying, you know? Like I'm eating. This black line, I think this black line is where it's going. Mitigation block. I'll tell you what it looks like. No, I don't smoke. This is a mitigation block. It's like a breaker block, but there's no lower low. Need help? Take MK6. I don't know what that is. Oh, you saying take that? I don't know about taking stuff. He said 21350 will get swept. Who's he? Me? You don't do crypto? Not really. Like I own a little bit, but very little. Like I have a portfolio with like $100 and some XRP. That's about it. Use whey protein. I do use whey protein. The guy you muted? I do use whey protein. MK. Oh, it increases appetite. He made good calls. Yeah, bro. He can make those calls. He can if he wants to go live. You can add him. Go on Discord. Work together. Maybe you guys can trade together. You know. But he was just being a little bit obnoxious. You know. I've seen the mass gainers. This is his alt 100%. Maybe, bro. That's not the first time that's happened. That's trend. Oh, I'm not taking trend, guys. That's fuck. You guys telling me to take steroids? You like futures more than options? I like futures more than options. Yeah. Make right diet. Trust me. No, you're right. I just gotta eat more, but like I'm doing my bro. Like I eat until I'm like almost sick, bro. It sucks. I gotta just eat cake and fat people shit. You take creatine. I stopped taking creatine to be honest. But the reason I stopped because it kept making me bloated and I couldn't eat because it ruined my appetite. Like I could, you know what I'm saying? Like so tough. How many calories a day? What I need is I need 3,000 minimum. I need like 3,200 if I want to gain weight. It's kind of a lot, man. I gotta drink at least 1,000, bro. SMT at Asia lows. Previous PM low is still open too. We can keep that marked up. But SMT at low of day. I wouldn't mind a long here. CISD would occur right here. So we'll see. If we get that, we can go long. I'd want it to be clean though. Eat foods that have small portion but high calories. Yeah, I know. I guess you gotta do. You should have the perfect foods. What's up, my guy? What's up, brother? Are you profitable? Some months. So far, we're on a 4 loss streak. I'm not that consistent yet. Sometimes I have like really good wins. Like I'm pretty streaky. Like I usually win streak and then lose streak or break even for a long time. I'm not like consistently hitting the hits. Took a trade already. You are mate. I'm mate. You're mate, bro. Why do you think that is? A lot of mistakes. Just mistakes. I think being there only for a year for me is just I guess not enough. Also psychology, of course. Confidence, patience definitely makes a difference. I'm personally bullish. What do you do for a living? This pretty much. I don't make enough money from it to be like on my own, but I have like other sources of income that cover my expenses. But they asking like trading be a breeze. Bro, listen, I'm gonna say something, and I don't really care what you guys think about it. But I'm telling you guys, your favorite traders, they lose. They just don't trade live every single day. You can't see it, you know? I'm not saying everyone loses, but everyone fucking loses. I work part time for a basketball league. Like it's just because like literally I've live traded every day for like 6 months. You guys are gonna watch me lose, you know? And I personally don't care. But like I'm gonna lose, you know? That's the only reason. I mean YouTube chat knows me. YouTube chat doesn't hate, but TikTok people come like, you lost. Yeah, you suck. Like, what, bro? We think I'm a money ATM, bro? I do know who Zusi is. He's pretty interesting. He is pretty interesting. I'm not gonna lie. He catches my eye more than most. Cause for starters, he's professional, and I like that. Um, like trust me, man. If I wanted to hide losses, I could hide losses. I could easily hide all my losses, show you guys the wins, and everyone would think I'm the best, and everyone would, you know. But at the end of the day, I'm not here to prove anything. I have really nothing to prove, just on my journey, you know. That's why I like you. Appreciate you, bro. I mean, those who knows, like, I'm really good at predicting market moves too. That's another thing. That's one thing that you can do, regardless if you're like, you know, trading it is one thing, which I'm working on. Predicting the moves is another, and I'm really consistent when it comes to that. We did not get the CISD here. I have a 10K account. How much I risk? Funded or live? Age low did not get swapped. It's SMT there though. This could be your low of session. This very well could be your low of session. Yeah, most people just come here for my bias. A lot of them just leave. You're funded. What's your drawdown on that account? First time if your account was just on 9:30, it must be 9:31. It's the first for value gap after 9:30. 2 trades per day max. What's the low of session? No, I'm saying possibly. If we get the change of the state of delivery here, then this would probably be your low of the session. Right now, I'm staring at this fair value gap that was just created, and I want to see if we inverse it or not. So far we haven't, but it traded pretty low into it. So we'll see if we can get above it and then get the CISD, in which case we can look for longs. So if we don't get the CISD, that's where I'll start to question that maybe my idea is incorrect. We might have to reevaluate. What does the CISD look like? If we get a closure above these down close candles, specifically these down close candles. Looks like we're not going to get it though. Looks like we might invert this gap, make another leg lower. We can still get another leg lower and then I'll still long a CISD. That would still be valid for me. Like, we don't have to just go up now. If we do, I'll go long. But I'm okay with one more leg lower and then. Why these specific candles? These are the candles that swept the liquidity. So these candles are your last candles of sell side delivery. You know? So if we can undo those candles, we change delivery from sell side to buy side. This is futures. I want to see Asia lows get swept. Yeah, it looks like, I mean, it's not technically Asia lows, but yeah, like we can definitely take out that low, which is why I said lower is possible. And yeah, and in worst case, we can go all the way down here, but I would prefer not to be honest. First presentation, let's mark that up one more time. I think we just start marking out the gaps with this. Because it's just I mean, we're respecting the 15-minute bullish fair value gap. But yeah, see, no bullish order flow. No signs of bullish order flow. You're in longs? Good luck, bro. I'm a little iffy on it. I feel like there's no confirmation yet, but it's possible. You can link trading view to... Nope, you cannot link trading view to Top Step X. No. You have to trade Top Step X on Top Step X. Top Step X is trading view. This is what it looks like. It's literally the exact same charts. You can just go... You can just do all your markings here if you want. So you want to mark out the 15-minute BISI. You can mark it out. You want to mark out the CISD that's going to form. You can mark it out. Place your orders if you want. How much is 4-minute contracts? What do you mean how much is 4-minute contracts? Bro, what broker do you use? I'm using Top Step X and I'm using Apex with Trade of 8. You have to why didn't you take the 5-minute FEG? I'm looking for longs. Took that short scalp and took off at ES taking on the lows. Nice, bro. That was a really good, yeah, it was a really good trade in my opinion. Top Step X. What strategy do I use? I use my strategy. Gems power of 3. Gems. Gems is my model. You have to pay for Top Step X. It comes with the funded account. Like if you get a funded account, you can do that. How do you make templates like you use for CSD? So draw it out. Let's say you want to make a template for BBB, whatever. Then you click this button right here, templates. Save drawing template as. Title it. And now every time you go, let's say you want to draw a line. All you need to do is right click, templates, BBB, and it'll go every time. You want to delete it, you can delete it like this. 4-hour CB seems really clear to me. Yo, listen, trust yourself. Don't trust me. Thought you were gonna hype you. Oh yeah, that will save me some. It'll save you a lot of time. We are accumulating 10 EM power of 3. Possible. Possible. I would still trust an expansion with the CISD. I would just view this as time distortion. Any thoughts, good or bad? How much would you risk per trade on a 50K funded? I personally risk $200 per trade. I don't have to leave TikTok, guys, because I'm in Canada. But I'm live on YouTube every day. So for those of you who are in the US, if you're watching me, you can feel free to come. I'll be live on YouTube every day. Nothing here for us for sure. You could have viewed this as a protraction model. My protraction model. Yeah, I mean, there's your inversion. That's actually not a bad entry, you know. You could have taken this. You could have taken this. We'll definitely journal that, but I wasn't really looking for the short, so. All right. Let's see if we can get a low like here or something. Stop trying to analyze the PA. It's so hard. It's okay, man. If it's hard, then don't trade it. You ever trade trades on ES? Not really. Like rarely. Sometimes it's really clearer that ES is better to trade for the direction. Then that's like the only time. If it's like really significant. Buy Trump stock, no. 15 minutes, you have taken that team. It should work hard on that. Possibly. What's your YouTube channel? I couldn't find it under GatieTrades. It's youtube.com/@GatieTrades. It's just GatieTrades. If you go on youtube.com and you search up GatieTrades, it will 100% come up, bro. Yep, GatieTrades. There's no way it doesn't come up. I'm like the biggest YouTuber. I'm just joking. I'm not big. That's probably why I didn't come up right away. All right. So, if we get the CISD, we'll definitely go long. I know we've kind of been saying that over and over again, but we'll see. Previous PM low hit already on ES and already hit yesterday. So, I mean, listen, order flow is so freaking bearish. So we have to make sure we're not just chasing longs here. No, Koala. In fact, Koala, you should close the charts. What you should do. Yeah, you can. What quote is this? Order flow is so bearish. Alright, Koala, we can hop in together, bro. But like order flow is so bearish, guys. I don't know. We might have just had the wrong idea. I mean, I was never really confident in longs, but it looks like we might reach for that 4-hour BISI right here. It looks like starting to become a possibility. It's only, yeah, that's quite a bit of points, quite a decent amount of points. So yeah, I mean, it's looking pretty bearish. We've had no bullish order flow whatsoever. So I'm glad we didn't take any longs, but I think it's time to just see that like this is probably not going higher, at least not right now. We are inside of 4-hour BISI, but I mean, this is obviously expanding lower somewhere. We don't even put a high at 9:30. Like 9:30 is high of the New York session. That's so rare. Is Nvidia dumping? Ooh, AMD's dumping. We can maybe buy some more AMD later. Just wait, bro. Yeah, I mean, I'm waiting, but what's up, busy? Bushy's a buy side imbalance. It's BISI. What happened to Levs? He was so active. He's in chat, YouTube chat. He's there. It is bearish. Exceptions London second cycle. Would you check Kiji, bro? No. Bullish, you said. Yeah, I did say I was gonna primarily look for longs. We're expecting protraction to take the next big rotation away for the expansion. I feel like I already missed the shorts. So I think I'm just gonna stick here instead. I mean, this is a really good candle, man. If we get the CISD from the level that we talked about, it needs to be strong though. It needs to be really strong. Like really strong. I really need to be convinced that this is gonna reverse and not simply retrace to the 15-minute fair value gap. This would be a breaker block. We have to get above. Yeah, no wick within bounds. Yeah, no wick. I mean, do that is two things. Either very bullish, the fact that this candle has no low, or just we're gonna go back to it. You know? I promise you, gang, I'll lose the funded account with 1 day left for payout. Never felt so shit. Been there, bro. I definitely feel you. I've been there. In fact, I don't want to talk about it. I've done some dumb shit, bro. Did you make some money? Haven't taken any trades yet. My model has not formed. Looks like you kind of just had to be bearish. Oh, you're talking to Koala? Yeah. Yeah, makes sense, Koala. You didn't follow the rules. I didn't take any trades today, guys. It's bearish? Maybe, yeah. Just close line. Nice, bro. Fuck the rules, bro. Yeah. Fuck the rules until you can't fuck around no more. Do you feel me? I got ignored by a streamer called GatieTrades. But what happened, June? I miss you. I miss your text. Even if you were bearish, there's no wick on 930. Yeah, 100%. The only idea for shorts here, in my opinion, is my protraction model. But even then, you have to identify a higher probability, protected high. Come on, bro. 930, this high. I do not trust that shit with a fucking stick. Like, I don't trust that shit. Nope, it was obvious sell. Nice, bro. I'm glad you found profits today, bro. Don't think about the money, brainy. Okay. I mean, I like this move. If we get the expansion here, I take a trade like this. That's just a terrible trade. It's just a terrible trade. But like, what if? We're gonna have to wait. Even then, we're not getting any displacement. You're right. I mean, I'm more focused on this low. If we get a bullish fair value gap here, I'm taking that. In fact, we'll probably take the breaker here. Hold on, let me switch. Let me lock in here for a second. I gotta switch. If we get the breaker, man, I don't like how that candle just wicked. He's gonna be blown to count 100%. He's like no drawdown left. So as soon as he clicks buy or sell, it's gonna be gone. That's valid, bro. That's good. Yeah, a lot of the times it's bad stop. It's so easy to lose a trade. Why you want to buy? Because I think it's possible we go higher, but if we don't get it clean, I mean, look, every time we just are about to get that displacement, we just kind of fall off. We're still inside the macro, so I'll probably have to just wait for it to go and just see from there. Like, I feel like this could have been the protected low, but not clean whatsoever. Definitely not clean. No displacement, no change in the state, no breaker. 10:30. It's kind of late. It's kind of late. 15-minute busy. Yeah, the 15-minute busy is holding, but it's kind of late. Like, I'm starting to think that maybe this just comes here and then drops, you know? Like, I can't really trust this long. I really can't. It's really hard to trust this long. If this candle closes bullish, the criteria is met. If we had relatively equal lows, a short would be more clear. I'm just gonna have to wait for some clarity, guys. I'm gonna have to wait here. I'm just gonna sit here and wait, see if we get some clarity. I mean, look at the 3-minute, looks awful. Gonna have to sit here, like, hypothetically speaking, along would look something like this. No, I just can't trust that. Yeah, it's a CISD, but I mean, am I bullish still? Tell me you took that long? Bro, what? From this to this? Oh, it should be a good long target for 50%. So now, I'm gonna follow my own rules, guys. You guys don't have to give me your own opinions. I think this is gonna go lower, to be honest. I think we might have to just align differently. We'll just have to wait and see. It's a 15-minute Sibi there. Just gonna have to wait for some clarity. Because to me, I'm straight up. It's not that clear for me. Yeah, it makes sense, Koala. Makes sense. Following your rules, yeah. I mean, like technically, I could long this right now, and I would not be breaking any rules. I know, Koala. Yeah, I don't know. I know. Here we go. Yeah, it makes sense, bro. Like technically, my model criteria is met here if I'm bullish. The bullish bias is not that clear for me right now. It's really not that clear. Which were biased? Not clear. I don't know. It's not clear. No, Koala, you're right, bro. Your entire trading career all relies on the next 50 minutes, bro. So you might as well just spend all your money on accounts until you pass, bro. Like your entire career relies on this next 50 minutes, bro. I will look for re-entry for shorts low key, but I'm out for today personally. Yeah, to me, honestly, it's not that clear. Like we could reject off that 15. I'm joking. He knows I'm joking. I told him this was gonna happen. Um, Listen, the truth is, some people they need to really hit rock bottom, and rock bottom for everyone is different. I only learned because I hit rock bottom. Like I was so sad, bro. I was literally like, bro, on some real shit. Like I was literally so sad, like in the shower, bro, sitting there in the water, and I'm just like, what the fuck am I doing, bro? Like you know those ones. Like that was me. That's what made me lock in. I was like, it gets to a point where you feel so shit that you're like, I deadass just don't want to fucking feel like this ever again, you know? Like that feeling of feeling so shit, that feeling of feeling so shit, like overtakes the feeling of like just wanting to make money and shit. When you blew your live account, that hurts. Everyone listen to this. That's what I'm saying, bro. You ever nah, no trades for me. And unless we got an inversion here, I don't even we can't really go for a short either way. Really understand you for real, bro. I think, and for some people, that's how they're gonna have to lock in, you know? Yeah, you're happy. Quali, you're not happy. Don't lie, bro. Just remember my words. It's a sell. I'll remember your words, bro. We'll see. Nah, no trades for me yet. I was primarily looking for a reversal. I didn't trust this 930 high. Just keeping it simple, right? I simply did not trust this buy side right here. But we'll see. If I don't take a trade today, I'll probably trade PM session. So what I would look for here now, I'm not too confident in this long anymore. I'm not gonna force it. But hypothetically speaking, if we did touch this imbalance and discount and then get in a large expansion, I could trust that move higher. Because then we'd be identifying this low as higher probability to be protected. But in my opinion, we all see the 15-minute SIBI. It touched it. It's displacing lower. In terms of drawn liquidity, this 4-hour imbalance is possible. I say we fly. We send that shit to the sky. Okay. Not clear. I mean, listen, we've been going sideways for almost 30 minutes. Just gotta stay patient here. We've already been patient. No, I'm not in a trade. I'm not in a trade. We've already been this patient. Nvidia's up. AMD. AMD is down. I'm gonna set some alerts on AMD because I'll be buying if it goes even lower than my entry. We'll set 2 alerts. All right. Looks like we're probably going to take this low, but I'll annotate this imbalance. Notice how we never got the breaker. So even if we wanted to long, our model never really formed. So good thing we didn't long. That would have probably put me on tilt. Another loss because I didn't follow rules. If we were to get immediate expansion higher now, immediate expansion, like next candle comes up here, yeah, I could trust that, but I don't think it's gonna happen, to be honest. I don't think it's gonna happen. In fact, I would probably argue looking for a short, but I feel like I already missed that move, and I don't want to short this far into discount. We'll stay on the 2 minute here. And 15 FUG M1. Yeah, valid short, man. Valid short. They get the CISD right there. Don't long this PA. Not yet. Still haven't taken this low. Read the chat, homie. New chart colors. New chart colors. What do you guys think? You guys like them or nah? You guys like them or nah? Explain. And dog. New day opening gap refers to the gap that occurs from stopping trading, for example, today, and then opening trading tomorrow. So tomorrow, so today trading will end at 16:59 Eastern time. Wait, that's not Eastern, that's just 24-hour clock, right? No, yeah, 16:59. It'll start trading at 18 o'clock. So, did we touch an imbalance there? Oh man, there's nothing here for me. You vibe with it, keep it? I don't know if I vibe with it though. That's the thing. Your candles on ES are weird. I don't know. I don't know what you mean. I'm about to short gold. I'm bullish on the higher time frame. You could probably look for a scalp lower. I like this setup. It's just this price action right here is awful. But the setup is good. Like we took the sell side inside of the higher time frame imbalance. We respected it. This is bearish though. It's still bearish. If it was gonna go higher, I feel like it would have done so over here. And I don't want to get FOMO. This is the rejection block right here. Black line. No, I'm not. I don't know if I don't know if I can trust longs. This is ass, and we might just keep going sideways. This could be the range for the entire day, to be honest. It's possible. Seen that before. I don't get no sleep because of y'all. I don't get no sleep because of me. I don't get no sleep because of y'all. Gain muscle or gain eagers? What's an eager? Wait for MSS. Long at 10:02 valid. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad because yeah, you can safely break even because you know it's gonna take these highs at least. A gain eager? I don't know what that is, bro. Ah, you funny guy. Haha. You're funny, bro. If you go on the daily, you will see the second for the Yeah, the daily bearish fair value gap. That's funny, bro. No, we haven't taken any trades yet. My model has not presented itself. I was primarily looking for longs, and even if I was bearish, I wouldn't look for any shorts now. I don't see no reclaimed FEG. What's your model? Gens PO3. I took a small short for the 5-minute FG targeting the lows. Nice, bro, man. That's not a bad. That's why this is probably your best trade of the day. For me, my personal opinion. I'm so long. I don't know. I don't know if I can trust it, man. The fact that it went sideways all this time. I'll wait for 10:30. Why didn't I get it on the FEG? Which FEG? This one? Because I'm questioning my bias. I'm not really convinced it's gonna go higher. Volatility has been pretty good. That was at 10:30. The new candle opens. The new candle opens. Now you're bearish? What's so funny, bro? Bro, are you the guy? Yo, Nick, be honest with me right now. Are you the guy that I blocked 3 times? Is this your 4th account, bro? You are, bro. Don't lie. This is your 4th account you made, bro. I know. I can tell. I can tell the way you talk, bro. I know you. Yo, I know you. I freaking know you, bro. I know by the way you talk. What's up with this price action? It's going sideways. We had a large expansion day. I'm not on Weeble. This is funny. Yeah. Yeah, where you this guy disappeared, bro. You got caught, bro. I know it's you. Bro, you can't keep making new accounts. You have 0 followers and 0 following. You talk the same every time. That's so funny, bro. I don't trust any of this price action, guys. It's been going sideways for 30 minutes. I'm not messing around with this. I'll be sad if I'll actually be frustrated if I take a trade in this and get like I know it's bad. What is this? There's no clear direction. It's not in a hurry to go anywhere. He's back. Why did the big moves happen pre-market? I mean, 9:30 was pretty volatile. Bro blames his losses on you. I don't know, man. He's actually. I don't think he copy trades me because he's been hating like full time. He might be getting paid, bro. Someone might be paying him. I'm not even joking. We can short if that high goes, I guess. Interested in the 15-minute Cibi? I'm not interested in anything. I'm interested in waiting till 10:30. 10:30 will be the opening of a new candle. I haven't broken any rules yet, so yeah. Why is it sideways, bro? This is making me want to get off. I'm gonna tell you why. Most likely, yesterday was a very large expansion day. So at the beginning of the stream, one of the narratives I said, obviously I gave 3 narratives, but like that's just how it is. It wasn't clear, you know. One of the narratives was because of yesterday's range being so large, it's possible that today just is seek and destroy slash goes sideways. Now this isn't seek and destroy right here. It's not seek and destroy, but it's pretty ass. I'll tell you that much. You shorted, but you got break even. Yeah, there you is, Quala. Yeah. Welcome to almost rock bottom, Quala, or not yet? What do you think? Almost rock bottom, or just not quite yet? This low could be protected, but like this is all balanced. Like if we do get displacement higher, you could trust it because this is all balanced price range. Will you look bearish if it breaks a low and imbalance? I don't think I would look for any lows. It's too far in discount. What's the forbidden fruit? You're modded. Yo, he's back. He's back. PO3 your strategy? Yes, it is. You think the inversion at 940 was a good entry for short? 942? Yes. Yes, that was the short that I outlined. If I was bearish, I mean, it wouldn't have really met my model criteria, because the reason is I don't really trust this high. That's what it is. This high put at 930 did not take any buy side or touch any imbalance whatsoever. Now that happens, that's okay. It doesn't have to every time. But when it doesn't, it's harder to trust, you know? So it's my opinion, probably the best setup that formed all day. My opinion. If you took another setup, don't take it to heart. That's just my personal favorite setup. But yeah, I'm really not interested in taking any long here. Not good. It's not clean. No trades yet. That's okay, Eugene. I'm on a loss streak too right now. It feels horrible. But why? Did you follow your rules? PM touch have been good to this week. Do you have rules? About to ask my parents for some money? No, you're not, bro. I know damn well you're not. How you change the background picture? What background picture? What are you looking to trade today? I'm looking for a long. Realistically, what I'm looking for is some clarity, if I'm being honest. I'm looking for clarity because right now nothing is clear for me. I'm in long at 10:01. Okay, bro, that's insane, Phil. I got GatieTrades on top. Oh, this? So it's a watermark called AGFX. It's free on TradingView. You can put in any title you want. If you want, I can say Koala should stop trading. You know what? I think Koala should not stop trading, actually. I think Koala should keep going until he truly, truly just can't take it anymore. Oh, never mind. I think he quit. I think he finally did it. If you're in longs, what's your drawn liquidity? 930 high, but nothing now. Like I wouldn't trust any long now. You on bro crying? I do because I think that's the only way he's gonna learn. You know, like that's the sad truth. Some people will not learn. Like it's kind of like a child. Like obviously, respect your children. Don't hit your children. But like some children or some people will not learn just from like verbal or talking or so. There's gotta be another way. You know, I have not taken any trades today. My model did not present itself. I'm glad I did not take any trades today. Um, yeah, that's it. 10:30 is approaching. Translate this. Uh, it, uh, when I say sell, it's a sell. Good for you, bro. New York was a sell until liquidity. Yeah, I mean, yeah, we did call this move lower, right? I was bullish, but that does not mean I didn't call this move lower. 100%. The first thing I said is I think I want to look at this 15-minute bullish for value gap and Asia lows. Nick says no, I didn't. Of course you don't think so, bro. Everyone else will remember. I was bullish, but it doesn't mean I didn't call this move lower. Heron did say lower, but I mean, like, if he said higher and it didn't go higher, just leave the stream, never come back. Like, terrible P on ICT. I'm looking along today. I'm bullish, but calling for shorts. You know what, Nick? I'm gonna teach you something, Nick. This is a lesson for Nick. The market does not just go in one direction. The market goes up and down and up and down. So just because I'm bullish, it doesn't mean it's gonna go up only. From the moment I said, "Oh, he said he's bullish," it went down. He's wrong. No, man, that's not how it works. Okay, I was not interested in longs here. Just because I'm bullish doesn't mean I'm gonna long right here. Right? There's still a model. There's still a narrative that needs to take place for me to take my trade. Where would I love to long from? Right here. No, I was 100% wrong. My bias was wrong, 100%. I expected it to go higher from here or here. It didn't, but I still expected it to reach those levels. And then once we got here, I called out Asia lows. Bro has mastered the rage bait. Nick is trying to. Well, I don't know. Do I sound mad? I'm not mad. The day candle, we're bearish one. I don't want him to get mad. So what do you want, Nick? Let's find out. What do you want, bro? Because I know this is your fourth account, bro. Thanks, Dragon. Gatie Deadass, rock bottom doesn't exist to you? It exists. Your meat? I am active. Is he on TikTok? Yeah, I think it's the same guy, bro. He keeps making a bunch of accounts to. It's not for you. There's a rock bottom for everyone, bro. There's a rock bottom for everyone. Maybe it's just not there yet for you, bro. It'll hit. But yo, stop chasing rock bottom. You don't have to go there, you know? Think we're gonna be back at the range of stage expansion. Why would you look for long? Yeah, that was possible. That was possible. I had 3 narratives coming in today. The only trade I was interested in was long, though. Like I said, I wanted to align myself with the higher time frame bias. I'm still bullish on the higher time frame. Just today did not go higher. That's why I'm sitting here waiting for a long setup. I'm waiting for it to align higher. Today, it did not align higher. So that's it. Simple. It did not align. I'm gonna wait for it to align. Solid 40-minute consolidation. Yeah, there's nothing really here. I mean, 10:30 open is here, but mistakenly I request payout with Wise. Unfortunately, Wise did not operate my country. Will I want to go back to my top step if I cannot receive? They won't take the money out, I think. Yeah, but you should send them an email, Sharma. Why do I think it'll go higher? Just because of how bullish the expansion was. An FEG and OP on higher time frame. How the fuck you want it to go up? You're just banned. I don't know why you're swearing, bro. Like, what are you mad at? Why are you so mad that I didn't take shorts? I don't understand. That's such a weird thing to be mad about. He's like, bro, what the fuck? You didn't see the shorts? Why? What? Why do you care, bro? I didn't take the short, man. You take it, bro. Why do you want me to take it? You take it. I don't understand. It doesn't make sense. What's your outlook? I'm bullish on the daily chart. I'm higher time frame bullish. Today it looks like it's going to continue going sideways, in my opinion. So I don't think there's any trades here for me, man. No trades today. He definitely lost some money. He must have, right? Because why else would he be so angry that I didn't take shorts? Why are you bullish? Just based off CPI's expansion, I think this low is safe for the week. So I want to align myself with the weekly bias, right? So even if it's gonna go lower here, even if it's gonna go lower, let's say Thursday and Friday. Well, if Thursday happens like this, I'm gonna be bearish tomorrow towards this immediate imbalance right here. But aside from that, this week we're probably not gonna take this low. So I'm gonna align myself with that weekly candle. And yeah, he's probably mad because the shorts were so obvious. Still a very weird thing to be mad about. Take care, Caden. Alright, I think it's time we ban. Nick, you're gonna have to make a 5th account, brother, if you want to come back in here. They weren't obvious, bro. Those guys are just cappers, bro. Don't listen to them. Yeah, well, we'll ban Nick's. He's gonna make a 5th account. Just prepare yourself. The next guy with no. Hopefully he learns and like he tries to blend in the account a little bit more. But you trade A and B and Nvidia. Pretty much, yeah. I look for monthly power of 3. You think Monday's low is the low of the week? Yeah, I don't think that low is gonna be taken. I don't think that low is gonna be taken. Nothing is obvious, homie. It's the market. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Don't listen to those guys. They're liars, bro. They didn't. I'm telling you right now, they did not take any shorts. Listen, people who are actually taking shorts are not spamming my chat. Bro, I took shorts. Why didn't you? For like an hour straight. Like, you just have to realize they're just rage baiting or I don't know what they're doing. Good thing I'm taking my fish on a walk for real. It's not that rare. It is rare. It is rare. It is very rare, but it is what it is, you know? I don't think it's gonna happen because that Wednesday expansion. Like we'd have to undo the entire Wednesday range. I think that's unlikely. It took shorts nice, but you got to open an account on Red Note so we can join your live after the ban. I'll be live on YouTube every single day. If you guys can't join on TikTok, I didn't take any trades today, bro. Any setups for any forex pairs? I'm looking for USD GPY longs, but there's still nothing. I have an alert. I'm still gonna be live on TikTok because I'm not gonna get banned. I'm in Canada, so I'm not gonna get banned. But I know a lot of you will not be able to join. I'm still live on YouTube every single day. I'll only do lives on YouTube. Yeah, honestly, I should probably like stop reading TikTok chat so much. But I read it more so when I'm like waiting for a setup. Trading's boring, bro. If I'm gonna be honest, like trading's pretty boring. Sitting here waiting. Booty call, take care, bro. What are you looking for? Honestly, I'm just waiting now for 1050 macro. I say. I mean, honestly, I probably don't want to trade any of this, bro. Fix the S chart, but it's so clear. Can't you see the bullet? I'm shocking. Yeah, that's so bad. I don't want to touch this price action. Are you full time? No. I trade every day, but I don't make full time income. I'm entertained watching you. Yeah, watching is fun. Watching will be fun. Bro, can you add your YouTube channel? Your link in the bio? I couldn't find it. It is in the link in the bio, bro. It's there. I did not take any trades today, brother. Model did not form. I'm glad I didn't take any trades. I was close to longing this. Glasses on? Is it a glasses moment? Lock in. I really don't want to touch any trades here. Gaddy, what type of... Bro, what? Don't be saying that weird shit. Look, if you click the link in my bio, you can click this button right here. It'll take you to my YouTube. And you can see that I'm live. Holy shit, there's 200 people watching me right now? It's crazy. That's crazy, bro. You can't put the indicator on Top Step X. Rose ready to go for a Sunday drive with those glasses. Bro, windows down, put these glasses on. Unfortunately, it's freezing in Canada, though, so I definitely cannot do that. Fucking Canada's cold. You don't want to touch... Yeah. I don't think I'm going to touch any trades. Don't think I'm going to touch any trades. Buy in Q. I really don't want to buy in Q. Can't trust nothing. You added to longs? Damn. Good luck, bro. Yeah, might go live in PM session. I might trade PM session. I still don't trust this 930 high. Did not take any trade today. Model did not form. No trades. And I'm glad so. Very glad so. The old me would take like 2 trades here. And I would lose. And it's frustrating losing on days like this where all you had to do was not click the button. Because it's very unlikely to win. For me, in my model at least. -70. Yeah, Newmarket. Yeah, Newmarket's pretty close to me. I'm in Toronto, like near Toronto. I might trade PM session. It's over 45 minutes. Time frame. Oh, lower? It would be 11:15. 12:45? No, the order block would be 11:15. If anything, this would be a propulsion block because this order block formed and then we traded up, down, and then use it. This would be your 50-minute order block. Why did this one? This one took out liquidity into an imbalance. It's a high probability order block. 200 viewers. Let's go. Let's go. Buy now. Yo, it's going up. Buy. No, man. That's not how I trade, unfortunately. Maybe if it was the macro. Nah. How do I get a free reset on Top Step? You don't, bro. Yeah, that's a CISD, but it's 1037 now. And remember, the first step of the model is clear drawn liquidity. So you tell me what's clear. To me, the only thing that's really clear, maybe this buy side. Just maybe. You could play this as a seek and destroy, right? In which case, criteria is met for a long. So your long would look something like this for seek and destroy. You break even after the highs. Yeah, you could make that argument. But I don't have a clear drawn liquidity, guys. I'm gonna be real with you. I do not have a clear drawn liquidity. That's the first step in all my models. It's the first step in all my models. But we can tape read it. We can tape read it. Trade like this. So we would have been filled right there. We would have been filled right there. And I would aim for 2R. And as soon as we take this high, I will break even. I didn't take this trade, just tape reading. Not yet, bro. I'm not taking the trade actually. I'm just tape reading this. Date of play. Take off 19 to 3 from device. Not yet, bro. I'm not in the trade. I'm not in the trade. I'm just tape reading this. Why is this thing so dark? Macro already passed. 1050 macro. Why don't you drop? Why don't your drop signal, my bro? What? Looks bearish. Looks like it's gonna fail. Yeah, man. That's why I'm not touching. Not touching any trades. Trades. 90 on power of 3 with manipulation higher to go lower. Are you price action trading? Yeah, looks like this one fails. Good thing we didn't take it. Coming, bro, I am shorting. Yeah, I wouldn't long it. I mean, we'll see what happens, but still sideways. SL on breaker low, don't break rules. No, I didn't take the trade. And you're right, technically stop loss would be breaker low. But I mean, I wouldn't take it. Yeah. There's no clear drawn liquidity. Going sideways? Yeah. In fact, this would actually probably be a good short, but I don't want to touch it. Because now we have relative equal lows. I got 2 people investing me pretending to be GatieTrades. Only 2? That's not bad, bro. Usually there's more. Usually there's more. We can tape read this trade idea as well. And this thing's just playing games. Yeah, man. I'm not touching this. Even if it's 1050 macro. You know, you're doing something right. I appreciate you, bro. They're just trying to scam. I probably gained like 20 followers since following you. That's fucking hilarious. You features, bro. I've got a good method, including breaker blocks and SMTs. Nice, bro. I mean, I feel like I have a good method too. I'm happy with my model. Not really looking to change it. But I'm glad you found your model, bro. Trust it, stick to it. What did I just do? I think we'll just call it quits here, guys. I don't know. I don't want to sit here and be tempted to take a trade. I mean, I don't think I will be tempted. I feel like I'm past that stage in my trading. But yeah, that's a good point, Toffee. But I don't know if I can trust it, man. Like hypothetically speaking, if I had to take a trade, this is probably what I would go for. It's not clear to me. Block shorting the FEG. How long are you into profitability? What does that mean? I'm not profitable consistently. I've only been trading 1 year. I've only had a couple profitable months, a lot of break-even months, and some losing months. There's a volume imbalance there? Oh, there is. That would have changed things for me if I knew. What does your family think of between trading and career? They absolutely do not believe in me whatsoever. In fact, they pretty much hate every single time. So I try not to mention it whatsoever to them. What candle are you using for your power of 3? 930. Appreciate you, Jim Wang. You don't gotta give gifts, bro. Just stay off. No, I'm not getting in on this. I was just tape reading. What do you do besides trading? I work for a basketball league. Sorry, I work for a college basketball team. I make some money off that. I sell some things on the side. My parents just think there's no money to be made whatsoever. Even when I showed them payouts, they were like, "Yeah, there's nothing." Fuck you guys, haters, man. You still trade even though your family doesn't support you? 100%, bro. I mean, unless I become a doctor, bro, they're probably not gonna support me anyways. So I've only been paid 3,000, 3 payouts, one 2,000, one 500, one 500. Um, it could have been more. I made a lot of mistakes. Made a lot of mistakes. What for trader are for you? Mechanic trading or price action or market mechanic? Bro, I don't know what you just asked, but I feel like I don't know, bro. 30-minute candle for 9:30 close? No. The 4-hour candle for 9:30. Regular trading hours. Regular trading hours, 4-hour candle. Starts at 9:30. You can see that candle has pretty much no high. My family thinks stock market is scams, even if I told them that I trade for like 1.5 years. What are the two indicators? The two indicators I'm using is this one that says GatieTrades up here. The second one is this one that marks out previous PM session, Asia session, and London session for me. We have unemployment news today. That was 8:30. I thought you had to wait for 10 a.m. for that 4-hour candle to close. No, the candle starts at 9:30. If you're a price action trader, you look at the price action by mechanic. You look for the smart money moves. I mean, yeah, I just trade the candlesticks. I don't look at anything else besides the economic calendar. Do you like double purge theory? Yes, double purge is the best way my model can form. I wouldn't say it's a theory. Not theory. I would say it's true. What would you say are the essential concepts you need to look for while trading ICT? You definitely need to understand liquidity and imbalances, understanding the different forms and why the market moves towards them. You definitely need to understand that. Once you understand that, I mean, then you just have to understand PD arrays, really. PD arrays and time. It's not that hard. Liquidity, imbalances, time. Once you can really understand, I mean, obviously it's going to take a while to understand those, but once you do, I think it's pretty simple. Stocks for crypto? Stocks. What is double purge? Double purge is like double fake move. So if you see something like this, buy side, sell side, and then the real move. That's the best way the power of three can form. Why do foreigners like keeping beards? Are you calling me a foreigner? You talking about my beard, bro? I have not taken a trade today. Probably will not take a trade today. I don't think it's gonna go higher yet. Lower objectives are these two green lines, in my opinion. I would just aim to keep it low hanging fruit. I'm not gonna trade it though. It's low probability in my opinion. It's really low probability in my opinion. But yeah, am I done for today? I might trade PM session, but I have to go to the gym, so we'll see if I can do it. Can you show me the volume imbalance again? 4-hour time frame. Volume imbalance right there. I like honey. You think it's all red today? Not necessarily. It could go higher. I just don't think it's gonna happen right now. Maybe in lunch, maybe PM session. I don't want to touch this. Go live for PM. I don't know if I can go live for PM because I have to go to the gym at 2. What Arabic country are you from? I'm Iraqi. I'm Iraqi. What is your girl think I'm trading? She's really supportive. Do you have a beard? Nah, I don't have a beard. No beard. I think the bare minimum return to open price, but that's it probably. I think we take out this volume imbalance, or we price to that volume imbalance. Be profitable. Only some months. Is someone sending gifts? You don't have to send gifts, bro. Unicorn model with high time frame PDRA. Yeah, I mean there's a breaker right here. Check maybe. Nah. What is a volume imbalance? I'm gonna show you. I probably won't be live for PM. the gap between these two candlestick bodies. I use double purge and only profitable some months. Nice, bro. Double purge is really good. I'm in Canada. Where did you learn your strategies? I learned the majority of my concepts from ICT on YouTube. The rest of it I learned in backtest. I made my own models in backtest. Basically just put the pieces together. Are those two bullish candles a propulsion block? These two? No, I'd view this as an order block. I'd view it as an order block. If you're bearish, you'd expect this candles to be respected. The next ones? Oh, these ones? Yeah. Yeah. Because it's going into an imbalance. What's up, Alevs? I did not take any trades today. Did you cook? Nah. I mean, I don't think I would have cooked if I clicked anything, bro. I would have been cooked 100%. Can you explain what's SMT? It's a crack in correlation between correlated assets. It's when two pairs that are meant to make the same highs and lows do not make the same highs and lows. For example, you can see right here, we did not take out this high. It's lower than this one, right? But on the right side of my chart, you can see we did take out that high, right? So what does that mean? If one asset takes the high and the other one doesn't, it means this is showing weakness. It's showing weakness because it's supposed to take out the high, but it didn't. It's showing a weakness. It's showing a crack in the correlation because they're both supposed to do the same thing. So, or this one is showing strength, depending on how you want to see it. How many hours do you think you've backtested before stuff started really to click? Holy shit. A lot, bro. A lot of fucking hours. I can't even give you a number. Over 1,000. Why do Westerners like keeping beards so much? What does that mean? How did you call it where you learn ICT? On YouTube, bro. It's free. Dang, that top of motherfucking morning, bro. What's up, brother? How are you, bro? Yeah, it's choppy as shit. I didn't even touch this. I'm glad I didn't. Probably would have lost if I took a trade today. The old me definitely would have lost. Probably would have lost 2 trades today. And I would have journaled and I would have wrote like lost 2 trades, very choppy, should not have trusted, blah blah blah. Which playlist do you recommend? 2022, 2024? I mean, they're all good. I've seen them all, but I would go to 2022 then 2024. What broker do you use in Canada? When I go to a live account, I'll be using AMP Futures. But for now, I'm just trading prop firms. Probably the price takes 212 700 buy sides. 700. Damn. That's not even what are you trying to predict, bro? I mean, there's an account with all the lessons or just ICT on different channels. One account with all the lessons, it's all there. I would go to the original source. There's gonna be other people who teach it. I mean, that's okay if you want to go to someone else, but I would stick to one person. Don't, because everyone's gonna have their own way and you don't want to get confused. So I would just pick one person or just go to the source and figure it out yourself. How can you be so patient watching ICT? I liked it, to be honest. At first I didn't. At first I was like fast forwarding and skipping. But then when you realize that everything he's saying is true, you're like, you know what? Like, I want him to talk, bro. Like, I want to hear everything. Like, I don't want to miss a word. Because it sounds like someone's giving you money. Like, that's what it felt like to me. I was like, bro, he's literally telling me everything I need to know. And then you backtest it and you see it and you're like, holy shit. It's fucking real. Yep. I'm going to send it to you right now, Chaser. I'm also just a pretty patient person, so. Where's the BBC candle? It's going to happen right now, I think. I think we call it quits here, guys. I'm really happy we didn't take a trade today. Really happy. I'm sure. What do you trade? If you have your own strategy and your own model, yeah, you don't have to, bro. But I'm obviously biased. In my opinion, ICT concepts is basically how the market moves. So obviously I'm biased. That's just my opinion. Or close. Well, how much capital to open your own live account? I wouldn't open. I wouldn't open a live account unless I was putting in 10K. Probably would be my limit minimum. So if I can put in 10K in a live account and like not affect me, right? Like put in 10K. What was your bias? I'm bullish on the higher time frame. I'm still bullish on the higher time frame. Today just went sideways pretty much, you know? Owen Trades, that's cool. Maybe I'll check him out. Never heard of him. Yeah, I agree, Donald. I agree. Or he just wants more ad revenue. I don't know. But trade today? No trade today. And I'm very thankful. So market moves from the actions market participants choose to take, not ICT's concepts. That's okay if you believe that, bro. Justin Williams a pretty good trader. Please check JPY. Yeah, was I not looking for a trade on that? Hold on, let me check it here. ICT month 5 to 12, what do you think? I've done month 4. You finished months 1 to 4? If you're understanding the majority of months 1 to 4, in my opinion, just go to 2022. Oh, chest. I'm gonna send it in the chat, brother. I can't send you a private message. I would recommend 2022. JBP JPY. Oh, I think I missed this. Oh, initially I was looking for a long from here, but it didn't play out. It's hard to short this. You would have had to short it here. Obviously, I'm doing this in the swing trade perspective. It's for CISD. Oh man, we missed this, huh? We missed this, huh? Come on, that's clean, bro. That's clean. That could have been a 5.3. Daily bearish fair value gap. That's beautiful. And it was in Asia and I missed this. When was this? Tuesday? Yeah. We were looking for longs, but this makes very lot of sense. DJ buys now? I mean, intraday maybe, but in my opinion, we're taking previous month's low. In my opinion, we're taking previous month's low. Yep, there's a gap right here. Maybe the macro plays out the buy side here on the equal highs, but I'm not touching this. I disagree with ICT kills with concepts. You don't stop trading, you just have to look at 1 hour 4 hour candles, look at 3 4 hour, so there's a nice maybe expansion. Yeah, 100% reinvestment broker. Pretty much. I agree with you. It's just the majority of the time, your New York kill zone, you'll see the most volatility. It's not like every single time kill zone, kill zone, kill zone. Right, you can trade lunch. Just know that the majority of the time, the characteristic. Started off learning from TGR, but soon realized there are better teachers out there. I agree. Can you send the name in the chat again, please? I missed it. Alright, bro. Last time, bro. Don't miss it this time. Was you bearish today? No. I was primarily looking for longs. No longs presented itself, so I didn't trade, you know. I don't have a macro indicator. I just do it myself. This is just me. I drew it. I wanted to look for longs from here. You. I'll be good. I wanted to look for longs from here. That was my idea. So I wanted to see this move lower. Then I wanted to see a reversal. We did not get that confirmation for a reversal, so I didn't take a trade. So we were right about it coming here, but we were wrong about it coming back up. But it makes sense, right? Part of me was also ready for a potential day like this because yesterday moved so much. Not even waiting. I'm done for the day. Yeah, I'm just here talking to chat. I'm bored. What was that sneeze? My bad, bro. I just sneeze, bro. I don't see your message in chat. Oh, it's not showing up. Just message me on Discord, Pacer. Protraction model short. You could make that argument. Relative equal lows. Yeah, it's not bad, man. Almost fell asleep here. Didn't even realize what's going on, but Yeah, you could make the argument. This is my protraction model shorts. We can watch this. So let's mark out the 30-minute bearish fair value gap here. And you also have your 30-minute order block. Actually looks not bad. Yes, inverted. Not that clean. Where's 10:30? Yeah, 11 a.m. We can watch this and see. I use OTE, so it's not something like, it's not a part of my model criteria, but yeah, it's in the premium of this range for sure. We have relative equal lows. Yeah, it's not bad. Not a bad. We can wait and see if it shows us something really clear. It would need to be really, really clear. Like, I'm not gonna force any inversion I see here. That's what I'm thinking too, though. Yeah, I don't know if I really trust this. Like, remember, this is only gonna hold if we're gonna go lower. So you have to know whether or not we're gonna go lower. I do like the relative equal lows, and I do like the 4-hour imbalance here. Unpopular opinion, 4-hour daily time frame. I mean, depends. Yeah, it depends. I don't think it's bad. Just trying to make this a little bit more clear. Yeah, but I don't know. Let's look at my inverses. You took the long? Nice, good luck, bro. Just passed the first one, did nice, bro. This is just consolidating. It looks like this macro is gonna deliver higher pricing. You took longs, nice. Yep, there's an S&T right here. Maybe our idea was right after all, you know? I'm not gonna take any trade here, guys, because honestly I have no idea if it's gonna reject off of here. I'm not gonna take any trades, but I mean, yo, maybe our idea was right after all. It went sideways for a really long time first. We'll just have to wait and see. We'll just have to wait and see. Shorts from the FEG. To me, it's not clear. To me, I don't know, man. I don't know. Looks like pretty soon I'll be playing out, but who knows? Maybe. Left pass up, plus up. That's okay. We'll go with for ultimate GPT. It is what it is. It is what it is, bro. Bullish or bears today? I was bullish today, looking for longs, but I mean, it just I don't like what happened here, so I'm just gonna sit out. I did not take a trade. Definitely not clear. It could reject hard. It definitely could reject, but I don't know. I think ES. Thing is, ES inverted this fair value gap already, so I think we're probably gonna take the buy side. Shorts me FEG for the me price of shit. I think we're gonna take the buy side. So Man, yeah, looks like 10:30 was it. But honestly, I'm glad I didn't take anything. I'm glad I didn't take anything. If I would have taken this, yeah, I'm gonna put the standard deviations on this. I mean, even if I did, I wouldn't have gotten a fit. I mean, yeah, you could have taken this breaker with the fair value gap unicorn right there. Yeah, I mean, hindsight here, he strikes again. Hindsight here, he strikes yet again. But it's there. You can't say it's not there. It was there, just wasn't clear. I'm just annotating this so I can put it in my journal later. Annotating exactly what happened today. Just more to the repertoire. We'll just mark the highest candle for the breaker. We'll see if we get that buy side. 5-minute fair value gap. See if we get there. Rejecting first. Yep, it's rejecting first presentation, but it's all about drawing liquidity, right? You wait for it to inverse if you're bullish. Definitely bias for today. Now, looks like we were right maybe after all. It could also sweep. Maybe, yeah, TP my long. I TP my long 426. Could have made so much more if it goes up. How do you get over that feeling? What feeling? You still not long? No. Hey brother, I do video editing, thumbnail creation, intros. Would you be interested? I already have somebody. I appreciate you, Sin. I appreciate you asking me though. Could be seek and destroy too. You're right, definitely could be a seek and destroy, but I personally think we take out this buy side, man. I just to me the narrative makes very clear sense. Um, the fact that shorts have been profitable since open, I think that's unrealistic. I think we definitely run that buy side. If not now, then later. But wait for a pullback. First bull Zuzu. I'm not gonna long. It's already past my time. But I think it's gonna reach here, and I'm gonna sit here and watch it with you guys because I wanna see it for myself. This is your first stage accumulation. Or your second stage, if this is your smart money reversal, this is your first stage accumulation, second stage accumulation, and then you can get a nice long like this. I'd even do it like this, to be honest. I don't think we're gonna get a breaker. So I'm just annotating this because I'm definitely gonna be journaling this. That it ended up playing out the way I expected it to, just not at the time I expected it to. And that's okay. $11.08. We could technically take a trade here, but we'll just tape read this trade. We've already been so patient. Might as well just wait. We can tape read it. Your win rate? It depends. I'm not that consistent. Oh, yes, already took the buy side, so yeah, there it is. ES already took the buy side. Next week will be a big bullish week for sure. I think so, man. I think so too, but we'll have to see what happens tomorrow. I think down first and then higher. Oh my god. He made a fifth account. This guy's crazy. Is anyone here who was here from the beginning of the stream? That's Nick's fifth account. That's him, bro. That's funny. I'll give him like a couple of texts, bro, because I feel like, you gotta give him the benefit of the doubt. Yo, what now, Nick? What now, bro? Look what happened. Obviously, it didn't happen at the time, I thought, but the drawn liquidity was met. He made a fifth account. Shorts incoming? Yeah, maybe. There's SMT at the highs now, so why don't you take the 1038 unicorn? I don't trust. First of all, it's not in the time. If I waited this long, I'd have to wait for the macro. Secondly, oh, now you look at this bandwagon, bro. Gems is my model. You're a bandwagon, Nick. You know that? You know that? You were hating, and now he's saying, "Oh, I said we're gonna go along." Mm, What is Gems? Gems is my model. Gems stands for Gaddy's Execution Morning Strategy. I Unfortunately, Nick, you're gonna have to make a sixth account, brother. I appreciate the dedication though. Um, you're gonna have to make a sixth account. Can you explain how you choose your high time frame PAs with a strategy based on time? It's not the PD array. It's the time in which we use the PD array. I did not take a long. No, I was too skeptical about this consolidation. But hypothetically, the model did form. I don't feel like I missed anything. In fact, I'm happy I sat out. And yeah, Nick is a number one fan. If you just ignore, I'm just gonna block him every time, bro. Truly humble. You think time before price? 100% time before price. Just look at this. Not about, not about what's happening here. It's about the time. Notice as soon as 1050 macro comes, we get the whole move all the way to 1110. Perfectly 1110 forms the high of the macro. That's so high at 3 a.m. That price that comes in. You're right. You're right. 100%. London highs. We talked about that earlier. That was one of my objectives for buy side later on, but yeah, it actually aligns pretty nice with negative 4.5. Let me include that there. But yeah, Nick is my fan. I appreciate you, Nick. I did not take any trades today, guys. I did not take any trades today. I will make a sticky note. Just want to make a note for my journal. This is all time distortion. Simply waiting on time to move. So I'm just gonna yeah, you could short that SMT, but I'm gonna stay out of it. It's out of my time window. It's out of my time window. Gotta stop with the following the rules. The setup is there, take it. What? If the setup is there? The setup is my rules. What's your time window? I stop at 11:10. I caught the FEGW setup pop. Nice, bro. I got chopped out bad today. Yeah, I feel you, bro. I mean, I still do sometimes, but that happened to me all the time. I would recommend 2024 next, Mari. 100%. I would recommend 2024 next. Yeah, this may go lower, but yeah, we didn't get the breaker or the CID, but it's about drawing liquidity first. You have to know where it's going. Otherwise, nothing really else matters. And yeah, I stopped trading after the 10:50 macro. EU longs if daily inversion. I would wait for me personally. I need to wait. Is bias bullish or bearish? That's hard to say, man. I like, in my opinion, if I had to say if I had to guess what's gonna personally happen, just my personal preference, we could probably come to around equilibrium, and then maybe sideways. I don't know if we're gonna take out these lows, but you can try shorts. I wouldn't go for longs. I'll tell you that much. Not with the SMT there. Like buy side's already taken, so I wouldn't even. I'm not saying it's gonna go down. I'm saying I wouldn't look for shorts. Me personally, just me personally. We still rejected that 15-minute SIBI, so it's S&P at the high. And it's probably gonna go lower. It's probably gonna go lower. Cute ass neats, man. You cute, bro. We're going up. It's 4HP03. Not that clean for me. I don't know. There's a 15-minute FEG. This one right here. Source, trust me, bro. I think it's gonna go lower too. We have S&P at the buy side. Damn, son. I did not take any trades today, King. Yep, we have equal lows right here. Do 10 a.m. candle PO3 model. What does equal lows mean? It means this low did not take this one, so they're relatively equal. It's a really strong drawn liquidity. Relative equal lows. All right, what's happening with our stock positions? The video was at 138. Now it's at 136. I pretty much bought it at 132, maybe less. You keep stocks? No, I hold some stocks as well. I think next week's gonna be bullish. So I'm gonna look to buy some stocks Monday or Tuesday, and then go from there. You can see that 5-minute gap. I'm not gonna draw the volume imbalance. Anyways, I'm gonna call it quits, guys. It's 11:20. What's your average price on the video? Let me check. I'm gonna buy some more. I'm gonna buy some more next week. I got in at 132.2. See you, Gotti. See you, brother. Take short, dude. Back to break even BS. That's funny, bro. Peace out, G. Have a good rest day. Take care, brother. Good stream, bro. Thank you. Appreciate you, bro. We're gonna clear the charts as always, so we can always come back fresh mind. Yeah, no trade day. Glad I didn't take a trade. Still bullish on gold. Still bullish on Bitcoin from the monthly FEG. Like, would you look at that, bro? Come on. It's just too clean. Same thing with the video. Same thing with Euro, hopefully. And this short, I don't know. We'll see. What is this? Oh, this is the trade we missed. Yeah, we missed this trade, unfortunately. It's hard to keep track of so many pairs, but the model was nice there. And it's like this one. Daily FEG. Probably set my alert here if we get a bullish breaker. Can look for a long. No, I didn't take any trades today. Take care, Fofo. Got a win on those shorts. Nice, bro. If you guys took a win today, nice. If you guys got chopped up, you should journal and reflect because this is avoidable in my opinion. Those losses, you don't have to take losses in this price action. So take care. I appreciate everyone coming through. I will see you guys live tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. Take care, family.